How to play Arborea. First, set the main board on a flat surface. Draw the dice to determine the player role. The bigger the number will be the poacher. The lesser number will be the mahout. Choose the biome you want to play. In this case, the poacher wants to play the swamp. And then put all the buildings, traps, carts, mahout and poacher pieces near the game area. Set the game area like this layout. Poacher carts, mahout carts, all the buildings and traps near the player, and the pieces right at the start. Next, the poacher will choose two preferred snakes to play. After that, the mahout will choose another two. And then, the poachers will set the snake the way he likes to trap the mahout. After that, the mahout will do the same. In this case, the mahout aims to trap the poachers. There are two sets of cards, the mahout and the poachers, which each have the main cards and the optional eco or biome cards, in this case, the swamps. Before playing, make sure that you draw the cards. The poacher will shuffle the mahout card. Meanwhile, the mahout will shuffle the poacher card. The poacher will start first. Okay? Move the piece by one. If the player landed on a card symbol or draw a 4, they will have to draw a card. There are different cards with different instruction. For example, if you happen to draw this card, you will have to move backwards 2 tiles. 1, 2. And if you so happen to draw this card, you would have to move your piece 2 tiles forward. If the mahout happened to draw build a conservation center in the village card, then the mahout would be able to build one conservation center on his village side. The same with the poacher. If the poacher built a victory card, he will build his victory on his side of the village. If the trap card is drawn, then the player can move the trap whatever he likes. This trap would trap the enemies only. Different biomes or ecosystems have different play mode. In this case, you have the singing frog, where you would freeze there and wait your turn, or you have to draw 2 or 4 in order to escape. You would also have the mud pit, where you froze for 2 rounds. And then you also have the swamp pit, where you have to draw double just to move forward. The win scenario is when one player can go all the way to the other player's start, completing the whole board. Or another win scenario is when the player can actually build 3 buildings on their side of the village. Then you can call it a game.